name is Ian Bolser, and I'm part of the class doing the muzzleloader lab. So here's my finished product. It was quite the interesting product or project. I put a lot of time, effort, and blood, sweat, and tears legitimately into it. So we'll kind of go over what I did. First off, we'll do just kind of an overview. So I went by the book, directly what they did, bit by bit. So I started with the inletting of the stock, or inletting of the locking mechanism, then went into the inletting of the butt plate, the toe plate, started putting on the brass receivers for the rod, kind of made sure all the tenons were good. Then I did a few extra steps, including I blew the barrel, as well as I obviously stained the stock. So the most difficult part for me was actually the locking mechanism, just because it was a lot harder than I thought, and it was a very, very tedious and painful process, and it was very easy to remove a lot of wood quickly. Other than that, I really enjoyed learning how to do the toe plate and shaping the brass. I think that came out the best. I'll do a quick show of that in terms of the lines on it came up really well. I did get it to fit fairly well. I think if I had to do it over again, I'd probably have gone a little bit lower, but I actually like a higher cheek rest for whenever I shoot. All of these came out well. The brass I polished down using a 400 grit sandpaper by hand on all pieces of the brass. The barrel tenons were a pain. If I had to redo that part, I would have used a drill press. A lot easier to get a straightforward or a straight hole clean through. Other than that, I'll do a quick functions check. So as you can see, it pulls back. And I hate dry firing, but as you see, it does dry fire. I was going to put in some actual powder, seeing this is the 4th of July, but I didn't get to the store in time because I was too busy buying fireworks. Anyway, this is a completed project. I've liked it so much, I'm actually going to do another one for a customer, my customer being my father-in-law. But it'll be much improved because I learned a lot. And yeah, very excited. I think it came out well, and very proud to call this my first rifle.